Why will buy the Vision win the market? From both a technical and competitive market perspective, it's hard to believe this is the work of a Chinese company. For many years, the price range of single-head multi-needle embroidery machines from China has stayed between $2,000 and $5,000. Let's take a deep dive into every detail of this embroidery machine. The left side houses the drive system, while the right side contains the electronics clearly divided with precision. I opened up the machine to examine each component. Looking inside the Vision, I was blown away by the precision and craftsmanship of its components. The exposed drive shaft design makes maintenance much easier, since you don't need to disassemble the entire machine. The dual-stage transmission system enhances power, giving the embroidery stronger penetration. The tension pulley precisely controls belt tension, ensuring accurate stitching. The circuit layout is clear and well-structured in some aspects, even more optimized than traditional Japanese machines. Beyond its logical and streamlined design, the Vision is also equipped with high-precision, internationally recognized components, including belts from Continental in Germany and Bendo in Japan, bearings from SKF in Switzerland and NSK in Japan, as well as aluminum drive pulleys specially treated to reduce weight and increase surface hardness. Together, these premium components and precise engineering guarantee outstanding performance and long-term stability. Now, let's look at the control system. As the heart of an embroidery machine, the control system stability is critical. The Vision system is both smart and efficient. The user interface is clean and intuitive, with functions clearly divided so even beginners can learn quickly. The electronic response is precise. The servo system is tightly matched, ensuring smooth stitching and accurate trimming. So, let's put the Vision to the test under heavy workload conditions. We ran the machine at 1,200 stitches per minute for a high-speed trial, closely monitoring for thread breaks and trimming performance. The results? Smooth operation, no break alarms, and consistently clean trims. Next, we pushed it further with 3D foam embroidery, 4mm foam running at 950 SPM on structured caps. The outcome was just as impressive: no needle or thread breaks, smooth stitching, uniform tension, and a clear 3D effect even under high speed. No wonder many are selling their old machines and switching to the Vision series. After all, who wouldn't want an embroidery machine that's reliable, stable, and still affordable? So, if you're tired of constant downtime, thread breaks, endless trimming, or the headaches of 3D cap embroidery, the Vision is the upgrade you've been waiting for.